Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I welcome you all to my channel Balcony Roots. Today I would like to share some information about the holy basil or commonly known as Tulsi. As an Indian, most of us would not need any great introduction to this holy plant Tulsi. But for anyone who does not know Tulsi, Tulsi is a sacred plant which is also worshipped in most of the Indian households because of its connection to Lord Vishnu. Tulsi is considered to remove all the defects and bring peace and calmness in life. So today I would like to share some inputs on Tulsi. So we will start off with the point of planting Tulsi, or how do we start growing Tulsi. Now what you can do is, Tulsi is very easy, it is very easy and very simple in fact. Okay, you would find Tulsi in and around your places most of the time. Many houses they do have Tulsi. So what you can do is, just take some dry flowers from the Tulsi plant which you can find around you. Now inside those dry flowers you will find tiny black seeds. Okay, so all that you need to do is just sprinkle them on a well drained soil. Wet the soil, take the soil into a pot, wet the soil very well, and just put them or sprinkle the seeds. You could also use coco peat. So I have also done the same thing. I have sprinkled Tulsi seeds on coco peat, and here you can see the germination process will take like 15 to 20 days. Okay, so do not expect a fast result. Today you sprinkle the seeds and in another 2 days you would see this saplings or the germinations coming out. No, it will not happen like that. It takes around sometimes, yes, 10 days, but sometimes you can wait up till 20 days, you can wait. Okay, so while the germination will take some time, just try and ensure that the mud or the soil or whatever is your soil mix that you have, it is well, it is wet, or it shouldn't become dry. Okay, so I am putting it on coco peat, and I made sure that, you know, time and again I tried to pour water. But yes, while I was pouring water, I had to make sure that I don't just like that throw the water, because the seeds would move. So I used to pour just a little water from each corners, so that the coco peat would stay wet. Another best option would be, you can probably keep the this kind of whatever tray or whatever pot you have, keep it inside a tray and fill the tray with water. So the water will keep getting absorbed from the bottom of the pot, and your soil will remain wet. Okay, so keep it in shaded and dry area, not under direct sunlight also. I have seen, or I have heard of people who, they also try to propagate Tulsi from the cuttings. Okay, so they take these cuttings like from here or somewhere, and they do propagate it, because what they say is, this portion from here the rooting will start. I have not tried that method yet. I'm definitely going to try it sometime. I'm waiting for this particular Tulsi to grow up a little more, and then I will also try that method. I will definitely even share that with you all, how it, whether it propagates or not, or what is the good or the, I mean, advantages or disadvantages of the same. Okay, so there are two kinds of Tulsi that I have heard of. Okay, this one what I have at my house, this is called Shri Tulsi. Okay, because the leaves are green, the stem is also green. Okay, there is another kind of Tulsi which comes, wherein the leaves will look purple in color. Okay, and even the stem will be very dark purple kind of color. So that is called Shyam Tulsi or Krishna Tulsi. There is nothing like good or bad about any of these ones. Both are good, both have their own benefits. It is just the two variety of tulsi is what they say. Okay, so that is the information as of now that I had. So as I was, so as I had sown the seeds, and the germination had started, so I wanted to share this update. I will be sharing more details about tulsi, the benefits, or where to keep, where to place the pot and things like that in my upcoming videos. So until then, all of you, please stay happy, stay safe, and please do keep watching my videos. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Balcony Roots. Bye bye.